the worst smell to walk past somebody and their wig stink. You can smell it. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by KlaiyiHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also sipping Slay, and your girl got her tea today with the lemon because I felt a little rumble in the jungle and these kids been hawking and hacking up a storm. Give me a mask. So I'm preemptively trying to make sure that your girl is good to go for the weekend. I got a sneaker ball to go to. Hey, Nakia. I'm about to do my little dance. Wait a minute, let me get another one. But anywho, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from KlaiyiHair. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new Plum WaterWave 13x4 pre-everything unit. I'm pretty excited about it because y'all know I love me a burgundy type of unit. So this plum purpley color was looking pretty cute on their website. So hopefully it translates to, you know, the look that I want. Hold up, my band slipped out. There we go. It already comes with the pre-cut, pre-plucked lace, and it also has the pre-everything ear tape already on the wig. Y'all know I don't really care too much for the tape. I like to spray my wig down or wear it glueless. KlaiyiHair, make sure you're adding the elastic band for everyone. I got mine, make sure they get theirs. The adjustable straps are already on the back. I'm going to leave them, yeah, I'm gonna leave them where they are on the first hook. Hopefully this wig will fit. Why are my shoulders up? Hopefully this wig will fit down on my head comfortably. They already parted mine in the left side part. Like, come on, Klaiyi, it's been years. I'm a right side girl. Here, I did go in and do a quick co-wash. Nothing heavy, but I still want to spray it down a little bit with my hair perfume. So I'm just gonna spritz that just like that, just to make sure we're not gonna be funky outside. That's the worst smell to walk past somebody and their wig stink. You can smell it. Hold up, let me tint my lace. Where's my makeup powder? I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Creamy Bronze. This is a pressed powder. You can use your lace tint spray, creamy makeup, liquid makeup, whatever you want to use. I just like using my powder because it's easy to remove and it goes where I tell it to go. Bring that just around my edge. I'm not gonna put it in my parting space just yet because I'm moving my part, so ain't no sense in me wasting product. I feel like I haven't done a lace frontal in a while. I'm so used to these closures now. Bring it around the dome. Already she looking pretty decent. The band stretches over really nice, not too tight, very comfortable. Let's see if the wig will stretch over. Come on, please, please. Ooh, oh, ow. See, that's why I don't like that tape. It just yanked my hair. I mean, if you want the tape, let me show you. Hold up. Make sure it's in front of your hair. You don't want this on your hair. Okay? That's how that will look. It lays pretty flat, and I'm pulling it. It's not lifting, okay? It's not coming up, but I can feel it. There it is. So it's easy to come off, but it will give you some security. But let me just take this all the way off because I don't want any tape. I wonder where my forehead is gonna be today. It's laying pretty flat in the back. Okay, Klaiyi, I see you. That left side part, even though it's cute on me, it looks right. I don't feel right, clearly. So let me swap that over really quick. Let's see. How's that parting space? Oh, okay, pretty decent. It's only a 13x4 parting space, so it's, you know, it's short in the front. I'm gonna blow dry it on warm and high and press it down right here. And I can wear it glueless, but because I want this to be set on my forehead, I know they sent me some clips, hold up. I'm using my Ultimate Hold lace spray. This is a melt spray that is easy to remove with water. And it's quick drying, so put it on there and move fast. Do a little bit of swirlies around the edges. Put my glasses over the lace. A little bit more right here. Play with your front just to make sure your hairline is how you want it. This is a little bit too long right here. Shorten that up. They sent me a wrap, but I already have one out, so let me just use that one right here on the edge. Now let's get my curls together, or my waves together. I'm gonna use my Mousse Def texture foam. There was some bleed out when I washed the hair, but not a lot. You may get more bleed out for yours, but the color should still be there. Comb that through with my wide tooth comb. Ah, get back, get back. This is going by really fast because again, WaterWave is the easiest curly texture to style and it's not super thick. I am getting some shedding with my wig, so you more than likely will get shedding with yours as well. My ends are a little scraggly. I'm just gonna trim a little bit off the end just to kind of help with the look. So I did go in with my wide tooth comb and comb through the hair just because I let the hair air dry too much and the mousse started to harden it. So I didn't want that wet look. I wish the curl was a little bit more defined towards the end, but as you can see, it kind of gets a little frizzy, but that is okay because that's where my hot tools come into play. I don't want to put too many curls in this. I just want to kind of freshen up the wave a little bit. So all I'm going to do is take my small curler and I'm just going to wrap it around and curl it a little bit. Focusing mainly towards the ends. Hold it for like 2 seconds, let it go. Y'all see that? That's all I'm doing. Do some right here on the top. Taking no time at all. Wrap it around like a wand curl. Wrap it, hold it for like 2 seconds. Take it out and then stretch it to give you that wave. I'm just doing this all over the unit. Paying close attention to my ends. Again, I don't want it to be curly because this is a water wave. I want it to be wavy. I think we're just about finished. A few more pieces here just to make sure it's how I want it to look. Make sure if you spray your wig down, you peel it down from the top. Helps to avoid that white line of demarcation when you take your band off. Ooh, are we looking good? That looks good. I'm not gonna use contour. I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation color. Put a smidge on some paper, just like that. Use my foundation brush, tap some of that off, and I'm gonna work it around my hairline to blend that lace in. My winter color is coming in, so I don't necessarily need the contour all the time unless the lace is really ashy, which this one melted really nicely, so it's not as ashy. This is too long. Let me just cut some of that. Using a little edge control on the side here to lay this down. Hold up, let me trim this one. It's a little long. Okay, and now we are finished. Hey, Miss Frizzle. What do you think? I think she came together. Now, before you ask me, KlaiyiHair does not have super high quality hair. Matter of fact, I call them fast fashion, not as a dig, but as the truth. With this price point, you're not getting super high quality hair. My wig is $183, but with the code, it should be around $150. For a human hair wig, pre-cut, pre-plucked, a little bit of bleach, bleach on, bleach off, and it's pre-colored. Let's be for real. I could even wear this up in like a little ponytail because she's pretty flat back there. Just gotta bring some of the hair down. Gotta know my little ponytail trick. A full up style. Let's see, hold on, let me get it up. Let me scooch down. Do like a little claw clip. Bring my hair down in the back. Y'all know the trick. Take my bobby pin. If you don't, I got a playlist for it. Take my bobby pin it to the back. I'm using my big bobby pin so you probably can see those. Okay, listen, put these wigs on. Again, it's never any shade to any brand that I call fast fashion. We love y'all. Some of my favorite wigs are fast fashion. I still have them and I still rock them. Just practice low manipulation on these type of wigs. For the water wave, you can get away with a little bit more washing because it's water wave. But still, take it off, pack it back up. Spraying my wig down will cause the lace to degrade faster. So I will more than likely wear this unit glueless where I can. You got straps in the back and elastic band. Use them. Trust me, I know from experience. If you want a little bit of color but the blonde and the burgundy is too bright for you, try the plum. It's very understated, but it still gives a little something extra. The whole look is given, I cook mac and cheese. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to KlaiyiHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.